everybody, and welcome to day 6 of my 2.6 challenge. We've had no new donations since yesterday, but we're still at £40, which is an incredible amount. So thank you so much for the donations and the support and the shares so far. It's been so appreciated, so thank you very much. Today the weather wasn't too good as well, so it was raining outside, so I did the shuttle runs outside, but everything else I did indoors again, so you'll notice that in the footage. I've also chose one location today to do my indoor exercises, so that you'll notice that as well. I hope you all like it. I'm feeling okay, actually. I'm feeling quite a bit stronger, and I'm feeling quite a bit healthier as well. I feel like this exercise is really helping me as well. I am quite tired at the moment. I don't know if it's due to the lockdown or if it's due to the exercise, but I still feel motivated to do these exercises. I really want to raise as much money as I possibly can for the NHS charities who've working really hard throughout this whole pandemic. So thank you very much. I really do appreciate the support. And now I'm going to show you today's footage. So I shall see you in a bit. Take care, guys. Thank you very much. thank you for watching my video today, guys. I really do appreciate it. Again, I'll leave my Just Giving page in the description, as well as right in front of me, right there. Tomorrow is going to be day 7, so hopefully the weather will improve. If not, I'll keep doing this cycle until the weather improves and I can do all my exercises outside. So I shall see you guys tomorrow. Take care until then. Keep supporting the NHS and donating to good causes as well throughout this time, because it's not just the NHS that needs supporting as well, it's other charities too. And I shall see you guys later. Take care, guys. Thank you very much for watching.